So to add to the collection, we just picked ourselves up probably the cheapest Superjet currently on the market, a 2007 Yamaha Superjet. So here we have a 2007 Yamaha Superjet, picked up last night. Was an irresistible deal. A non-runner. He said it's been standing around for quite some time, but I know these engines are pretty basic, and he did say it ran when last parked. So yeah, that's what a new battery and a couple of plugs do. He did get it repainted, sadly, and they did not do the best job, so definitely going to have to look into repainting it. There's overspray all over the place, but as long as the ski runs good, we're going to do a compression test later. See that the engine is all fine inside. It's got some nice hydroturf. It's got nice freestyle pockets, maybe for some backflips. Didn't come with a kill switch, so a nice little zip tie mod worked very well. I'm gonna get this recovered. So here we have the mighty 700cc Yamaha 2-stroke with a fat expansion chamber. Definitely aftermarket. So it's got the Proteg expansion chamber. It's got the Proteg head. Also has an extended ride plate, also for Proteg. And as you can see, the paintwork really not the best. So not sure what color to go with yet, but yeah. New battery in, got new set of plugs, and she fired right up. I already did try and clean the petrol tank quite a bit. That's gonna need a lot of cleaning. I'll probably remove the engine. And the electrical box has seen better days. We do have a bilge though. I'm not sure if they come stock with it, but yeah, it's can't wait to try it out. So she actually runs really well by start of a button. Very smoky. I'm not sure what mixture you put into that, but very oily. So this is a great addition to our other skis. We've got two old JS 550s, which we're also taking out tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see the difference between what 20 years of engineering does. So I'll take a video tomorrow and see how she handles.